How to add body measurement in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can give you information about your weight and even throughout your bodies and different measurements of your bodies. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this account icon. Simply tap on account. Now on the top, again tap on your profile icon. So here you'll be able to edit your profile. Simply tap on it again. Now here you'll be able to see the option called clothing and shoes. So here there are different drop down options. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the fit attributes. Simply scroll down again, and here you'll be able to see you can add different measurements of your body. Simply tap on add, and here there are different selections that you can choose from. So here I'm choosing them, and at last on the bottom tap on save, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.